So I've just purchased my first house. Basically, I was looking at a more cost-effective way to save money through my energy use, and solar was a perfect fit. Yeah, I grew up on a farm and I watched Dad chip away on the farm all day, working outside under the sun and nature. So I think as Kiwis, I guess we have a duty to look after the environment and work with nature too. So I'm glad I'm with solar. Energy independence to me in New Zealand means everyone has the power and control of how much energy they use and how sustainable they want to be. So it's something I'll take a lot of pride in going forward in my own home, and I'll be able to share that journey with my flatmates too. I guess the first thing you think about is, do we have enough sun? Can it handle the wind? But I think that's a decent misconception, and solar comes from light, if I stand correct, not just sun. And there's a lot of solar around here in Wellington, so it's obviously fit for the future. Throughout the whole process of installation with Lightforce Solar, it's been pretty seamless, from the first conversations and picking up the phone to meeting staff here on site at my house and various questions around the wind and certain elements. I've put those to bed, made things go seamless. I'm really comfortable about my decision, and I feel like it's a great way to live my life going forward. Now that we've changed to Lightforce Solar, it's, I guess, made us more aware of the way we use our energy from day to day. We can monitor it now through our apps and hold each other more accountable with our energy use and what we do going forward, so it's exciting. One message to young Kiwis I'd give is, I think when purchasing your first home and considering solar, it probably seems like an extra expense, but long term there's going to be massive savings and it adds value to your home, so it's a smart way to do things. The future's obvious.